Welcome people, Bunny here, welcome back to the channel. So of course it's been forever and a day since I last put up something on the channel, like maybe too long at this point, but hey. Welcome, hope everyone's doing great. You've been noticed the whole quarantine, curfew. It's been a while 2020 to say the least. But with today's video, I wanted to kind of highlight and do some live reaction to some of the content that, you know, the persons that we've been working with here on the channel have been doing over the course of the curfew. So I'll just do a live reaction and highlighting them. Of course, the links to their social media should be in the description below. Either that or I'll put it on screen there before, whichever works. But anyway, before we get into it, of course, we have a big announcement before we actually get into it. All right, so the point is, despite the content being here on the channel, from time to time persons still ask, you know, where can I buy the plays, where can I buy this, where can I buy that, and of course I've kind of taken that to heart and say, okay, let's spend the last few weeks, or over the last like 2 or 3 weeks, I've been working on a little project for the persons like that keep asking. But the point is, you can now visit blaproductions.com if you're interested in buying, or if you're not interested in buying, you can always rent the plays or the content that's here on the channel for a lower cost. Of course, not everything is up just yet. There's only 5 different offerings there right now as of this recording, but over the course of like the next few weeks, we'll be actually putting up more plays for you guys to actually buy or rent. So of course the link to that will be in the description below. Of course, I would appreciate the support. It would go a long way towards, you know, supporting the channel and the plans that we have for the coming months or years, to say the least, because we don't plan to stop anytime soon. So yeah, of course, link will be in the description, blaproductions.com, and any problems, let me know. But anyway, without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright.
Dad, I need $300.
Hillary, your cousin Will is here.
Hi. Dad, I need $300.
That's a lot of money, Hillary. What for?
You ready? Let's go.
Why the curfew kind of like it that work for Monique?
Nope, I like when my man lick me, put me in my place. You listen to yourself? You like when him lick you? You was a idiot, he might lick you one day, go and drop down dead and can't get up back. How? Like your dick?
Oh! Jesus and peace.
Are you hungry? Oh. Maybe you should go into the kitchen and get yourself something to eat then, huh?
Alright, obviously this is TikTok and they're using audio and scenes from various shows, but if some of these references I'm not getting, so if you can let me know in the comment section below, definitely show me what fun that. Come class find some of them, but they're still funny.
Christina.
Christina! Christina's gone. Your little tramp didn't leave any money to pay her, so she left. Just like your little slut. She packed all her things and some of yours and left. Come to think of it.
Yo, they definitely need to check out Monique.
Christina, you're back
Well,
again.
this are
All of
TikTok's
it.
handle on
You
stream,
tried to
but
keep it from me.
definitely
and
check her
she
up on
took it
IG
all.
as well.
Huh?
There are souls to be rescued. There are souls to be saved. Send a light, ding 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 ding. Send a light, ding 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 ding. Send a light, ding 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 ding. Now blessed gospel light, let it shine, ding 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 ding. From shore to shore, ding 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 ding.
Stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, the boy.
When you get done know some I can't come here, I can drink or eat nothing again after watch the snow.
Stop fight with him, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice. just poisonous. Breaking news.
All right. Next section now. Dwight and I believe Troy. I've like intentionally haven't watched these just a whole off and doing this video essentially. So let's see how this goes. Be sure to check out Dwight, Troy, all of them on IG, TikTok, the works. So yeah, let's get into it.
Everything is going against me. Because the enemy is
All
hoping
right.
I don't recognize my size.
Dwight.
I'm sick of shrinking myself so that insecure people will be comfortable with me. I'm tired of lowering my intellect so dummies can feel superior. I'm tired of hiding my natural gift because all you got is a degree, but I got talent. I'm tired.
Hello?
Is this Kerry?
Yeah?
Bitch, me go waste to call up my man, you know. Cause me see your number in my phone, you know, and it's not him call you, it's you call him.
I'm a call him. Please call me. Me send him. And him call me back. Call me pussy real good.
But you bumbo clot, right? Will it? I try your address in on the phone, you know. Me a go down and do the selfie. Bumbo clot.
Think me afraid. Me live at 131 Matches Lane straight. Come down, you know. Come down, yeah.
Matches Lane? You mean to tell Mr. Peter live all the way from Belgrade Heights?
Yeah, cop.
And go down a Matches Lane?
Yeah, cop. You pussy good.
You wait till him come home.
You want him there, you know. People come phone, wife the fine phone is so big.
My girl, where you give me the phone
Try
from?
him phone, come. Me tell him about him, mother.
John Star. Samantha?
Peter, I don't believe you. Peter, I'm having a nervous breakdown.
There are souls to be rescued. There are souls to be saved. Send a light, ding 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 ding. Send a light, ding 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 ding.
Yeah, they definitely flick me to like the original stuff, man.
Double tap this, them a double tap. Them I wonder if I really clean that. When the chat, I may not take it back. Full of it, say you know some suck. Full of chat, I may not take it back. So what you say? Me should have on social media admit some teeth the kangaroo. So woman, in the name of Jesus, don't you see me in the video putting the kangaroo into my bag? Just be yourself, okay?
I told you I could get a little crazy.
Yeah, you get crazy. Come on.
Okay.
All right, motherfucker. Let's get it on.
Alright. Anyway, probably would have enjoyed that more than me, but let me know anything about it in the comment section below. Of course, leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed it. The links to our, well, the various talents IG pages should be in the description box below if I haven't put it on screen. So definitely make sure to check out Monique, Dwight, and Troy. Yeah, I can't ask anything more. And of course, just a reminder, be sure to check out the BLA store if you're interested in buying or renting any of our content. And just let me know. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.